Hello Nikki and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do today to boost the traffic to your website. Um, so let's get into this. Basically, I am in your website and anything that you have in there is considered content. So all of the text, all of the images and all of the videos. And the content is what Google finds you for, and depending on how your website is built, is going to rank you either at the top or somewhere in those pages of Google searches. So right now I can see that your website has the click to call buttons and the social media account buttons, and you have the contact us form, nice pictures. So it's very easy to navigate and very easy to navigate if you are using a mobile phone, which is very important these days. Now, in terms of the amount of content, right now you have 241 words in your front page. If I have a look at your competitors, this is the landing page for Precision Door Services for Orlando, and they have a lot more content. Right now they have 969 words. And then the other competitor is Armstrong, Garage Door Inc. They also have, uh, very easy to reach out to them as well, and they also have a lot more content. They are sitting around 1,388 words. So definitely an opportunity worth pursuing is just adding or throwing in more content, and not only more content, but also relevant content. And what I mean by that is that when I came to Google, I type in a buyer intent keyword, which is Garage Door Repair Orlando, and it's basically what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. The first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and some people have the ability to turn them off in their browser, so they just skip them altogether. Now, the next section is the GMBs, or the Google My Business profile. To rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yelp, Facebook, or Yellow Pages. And what you want really is that the details on those directories match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify you and can give you one of those, can give you the top positions. Now, why is important to rank at the top of the GMBs is because they are driving 40% of the traffic. So you really want to be in the GMBs top 3. Now, the third section is the organic search, the Google organic search. And that's where I found your competitors. To rank at the top is a combination of both the content on your website and the backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at your website. This tool helps us analyze the back end of a website. And it's telling me that you have 991 backlinks in 69 referring domains. So that is 991 links on 69 external websites directing traffic to your website. Let's have a look at Precision. They have 3,320 backlinks in 146 referring domains. And Armstrong, they have 3,930 backlinks in 113 referring domains. So basically, here the opportunity is to add more backlinks and more powerful backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. There are backlinks that are more powerful than others, and that's basically because they are in external websites that are related to your niche and to your service, and Google has algorithms to actually identify these, and for that it will give you more points and will rank you at the top. Now let's have a look at this section here, which is the organic keywords. In here, in this dashboard, I can see the keywords that you are being ranked for. This is the number of times this keyword was searched for in a month. And this is the position that you are ranking in for Google search. So right now, and I filtered by Orlando, Florida, and FL, just to show you the buyer intent keywords. So for example, this one, which has the highest volume, Garage Door Repair Orlando, has a search volume of 450 per month, but you're in position 19. And because of that, you were able to drive just one visit to your website. And it's important to rank at the top just to increase this number of visits. And also just bear in mind that anywhere beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. And if that's the case, very few people are visiting your website. Now let's have a look at precision doors. I had a look at them. They are ranking for 2,000 organic keywords. And because they're in the first position for the same keyword, garage door repair Orlando, they were able to drive 115 visits to their website just for that keyword. If we look at Armstrong, they have 309 keywords, and garage door repair Orlando, they have 400 visits. Garage door repair Orlando, so this one has an S and this one doesn't. So 450 visits. They are in the 5th position, and they were able to drive 24 visits to their website. So basically what this is telling us is that those that are in the top positions are the ones that are getting most of the traffic. So the idea here is that you actually target more and more keywords that have the highest volumes so that your website can be in front of more people more often. And then a percentage of those people are going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website. Then a percentage is going to call you. And then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you're going to be able to convert into customers. So basically, more traffic means more customers and more revenue, resulting in the growth of your business. So once again, if you like what you saw on this video, you can go and implement this on your own, or please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me. My name is Viviana, and my contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.